My name is Ana Branco. I joined Adam Group in 2017, November 2017. I'm a real person with a real story, and my story is not for sale. And since I start, I had a big, huge learning curve. I start with around $3,000 investment in products, and in 2 weeks I got my selling 17,000. So I had my first experience with the ASD last March. In August we went again. Now I'm in an area that I'm dealing with wholesalers, the biggest wholesalers in North America, and I'm bringing my stuff here. And actually, I bought my first boots now on ASD show. So again, I'm telling that is the big opportunity in life. E-commerce is forever. Amazon is to stay, and they give us that opportunity. Please join us, and in a boat, you will have the biggest experience of your life. Please. Is the biggest experience that I did in my life. I love to do what I'm doing. I love the Adam Group and everything that they are teaching me. Thank you so much, and good luck for all of you guys that join our group.